Are you tired of playing referee between your architect, engineer, and contractor? The traditional renovation model is a recipe for delays, budget overruns, and frustration. It doesn't have to be this way. Welcome to Paramount Design-Build Difference. We are one integrated team, handling everything from initial concept and permitting to engineering, construction, and final inspection. This single point of accountability eliminates miscommunication and the costly finger-pointing common in Los Angeles remodeling. With Paramount, your designer sits right next to your builder. This collaboration means we can guarantee your budget and timeline are respected from day one, not renegotiated midway through the project. We offer a true one-stop shop, ensuring your project runs 20 to 35% faster without sacrificing our ultra-luxury craftsmanship standard. Our in-house process is why high-income homeowners choose us. They choose efficiency, transparency, and peace of mind. If you're planning a full home remodel, a luxury addition, or a high-end kitchen in the San Fernando Valley or Greater Los Angeles, the design-build model is the premium choice. We deliver seamless communication and faster turnaround, so you can start enjoying your new space sooner. Ready to bypass the stress of traditional building? Call or text 818-919-4219 today for a free luxury estimate. Let Paramount show you how effortless luxury remodeling can be.